The 2020 Indian Challenger. Indian motorcycle rolls into MY2020 with a net new bagger family that also boasts an all-new powerplant with some serious ride quality and safety features as the icing on the cake. The Challenger range marks a new era for America's oldest motorcycle manufacturer with impressive power numbers and a look that's borrows from the past even while it reaches for new territory and, I'm sure the factory hopes, an expanded buyer base. Fixed fairings, new electronics, and a powerful engine are the hallmarks of this machine, and it'll be interesting to see how it performs in the market against its longtime domestic foe, Harley-Davidson. 2020 Indian Challenger design. Perhaps the largest visual update on the entire bike is the wide fixed front fairing that's clearly meant to appeal to the same rider base that appreciates HD's sharknose look. The factory breaks new ground with its new Challenger range on a number of fronts. First off, it falls outside the usual naming conventions for the marque as it doesn't carry a recycled moniker. Secondly, the name itself is indicative of this line's purpose in life, to challenge the Moco's road line.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.